another month.
Right.
And baka tambisingan on the Ouch Palangi Show.
Hey, a very good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. A big winaka level
Julung.
to Punjus celebrating 90 years for the sponsorship from last year until today and until tomorrow. Still going. Thank you so much for tuning in to VTFM.
To everyone joining this morning, it's a new month, it's a new day, it's a third of the 25.
Right.
Katol ni bula, katol ni singa, ruana sanga bulu kalima na yambaki, ni rono sanga bulu rusa bulu kalima.
Yeah, want to say good morning to all those tuning in from overseas and all those who are tuning in through the TikTok account. Double tap, guys, double tap. Double tap. Mambul tatsungan bikin bersama to my YouTube channel ni VTFM. Tolu bagando na platform. Sama juga ni kina, and mataka ni kuwa na wasaning ona ni Ouch Palangi Show.
Meri na kalebu.
Iyo. Turungan pina boleh besar Vito karena mataka ni kuwa. Bikin bersama cuma Vito ngoli sala vi diandra ni mata vinaka. Vito Lili na buku ngolo lo sombi kina sasavara. Bikin bersama boleh tengok cuma kor turang suba. And vi hotel ni bulang isar benua.
Good morning.
Pita masih lada yang vinaka lo ni benua mana dol ke Viti. Diandra ni mata vinaka.
Right.
Good morning to John Turangambedi to Karua from Australia.
Okay.
Thank you very much for joining this morning, and also to the people out there. Thank you for the lovely breakfast.
Vinaka obi texlule and lo mani loda blast sikon na VTFM na mata kuwa.
And Buluminaka to all those tractor drivers in Blenheim, in New Zealand, boys from Nakorongo. Mesa is driving one big caterpillar, and Tamalengu Seveni from Namuto in Woroworo is driving one small caterpillar too.
Okay, we welcome you and every group of different organizations joining this morning. Sernawanga, Emindalai, and not forgetting all the teachers. For their supportive to the children. Tamay Makelina, thank you very much. And also to every school participating in the Inter-House. They are looking forward for the zone. Some of them, they are very training hard this morning. When we come in the morning, we see the children, they training.
On the road,
On the road, they're doing their morning train. Thank you. And also to everyone, be careful of our healthy.
They're looking forward to the Coca-Cola games.
Coming.
When you in Nambuni Kandam during this time when you're still in school, do you wish to come and play for the Coca-Cola game? You train in the morning like this?
Yeah, when we was there, the aim for Coca-Cola is Matindiling ko rin na makasudi. When I was in the village, the motto for coming to participate in the Coca-Cola is the second one. The first thing is to step on suba. Mambutuki suba mandanga.
May suba, forget about the Coca-Cola.
Nama kami kay karoto ni tabiya balita sa kilato ngayon na may Lucy. Na may Lucy.
Oh, no good.
That's
a very bad mindset.
No, for me, balita yung daong bata nga yung daong bata nga nang gito. Who will be won the medal is at the back.
You the back where?
Kana ba itabi? Kami
planta ka na na piece.
Right.
You the bait.
I'm the bait.
Right.
So I'm the one who will be take the place inside. Look at them. Take the place in front. Running like, especially myself, I used to run on the 3,000. 1,500. Di kumpula.
3,000 in the stadium, how many rounds?
Many.
Sinibak sa Rosa Kabul.
Sinibak mo tandela ko lang udala. Lang sinibak ta para. Yeah, it's like that. It depends, because in there, the only chance for you to come to Suba is through Coca-Cola game.
What is the reason why you never make it, my brother?
I make it. I make it for Suba only, not for the playground.
So you run with the bait, you go take the lead.
Kuita iliu. Kubu. That's only the first 2 rounds. You can see me on the TV.
Your time you run with the Sisari Basuka?
Sisari Basuka na over age. Saya kira with the tuko yang kasih Sara. So the time when you coming for the zone. Start from there.
Which zone?
Mbua zone. 5 school in the Mbua zone. Ratuluke secondary Mbua College, Naikavaki.
St. Beats.
Not St. Beach, Lekutu Secondary, and also to before Solevu now it's Immaculate Conception College.
Warta cuma Mindela ay kumo di ba kana touch di 2025.
Iyo, nangaw na ay?
Sana naman ngo 2025 kono touch bitu.
Kilala na ba? O baka nakita Italia mem.
Sa batal lebu na
Memories.
Ayo, na lebu na tukul talbir leber. Nang gitu. Pakarto tukul siguro. O sa kita ba? Sa 3,000 niko terni bitara madaw.
Pa.
Oh, that time, it's very, the parents is supportive,
Right.
To us gang when we do the training. We have to camp in school.
Saan sina?
They bring
Too much eat you
They bring the breadfruit,
Yeah.
the hanging fruits.
Iya.
They bring the fruits, the buni, tayo na pa yan. Meron
sana
ka na.
support, man.
Because of the lightness,
Right.
Egg.
Yeah.
Wakan jao in the playground.
No, when you train, you
Yeah.
train in the
Mud.
in the what you call it, the school ground.
Totongi.
Say ko terni ngoni sala.
Depend. Like on the playground, it's normally
Yeah.
Follow
you
the-
have to run from the school of the Ratuluke. If you come along Ratuluke, it's
Yeah.
on the mountain, the hill. You have to run. Playground.
Iya.
Wakan Mbamba.
Jangan bos.
Passing the MPI quarters, the health center,
Saan sina?
the government station, the post office, and right to Boo Jao.
Mini bos ko.
Ang di na, kung nabitaw divi.
Uy.
Kuita.
So your aim is to come to Suba.
Just come to Suba.
When you reach Suba.
When you reach Suba,
Pagkakapag
balo mga piti.
So like you are proposing to the people back in Ratuluke
Yeah.
to follow that path or what?
Not please stop that. Stop that. But when the time we leave from there,
Yeah.
some of the record was there. They been break last
Break the LL.
3 years.
Yeah.
Sangka may borok itu kita so from our school.
Oi.
Yeah.
Oi.
Wakan dua.
Especially in the 800 meters,
Yeah, the long distance.
1,500
Yeah.
From there.
So,
But
kaya naman na musaw sa chiko.
siya nga Indonesia ang duta. Naisaw-saw nga nila ako mga Italia.
So at one time, how many of you from Ratuluke will qualify for the Coca-Cola game?
So now, depend. You have to ask your parents for the consent.
Yeah.
If you want your
Hindi,
children,
alam nga,
your children to be take part.
Yeah.
If no, the school will provide a certain money.
Yeah.
So parents, you need your support for the
Oi.
children.
So, atu no wonder that as gang in Vitilia is getting overcrowded. You know?
Because they qualify to come for the
Yeah, because they have the wrong motive to come to Suba.
When we reach one, no, that's for me only, eh?
No.
Don't know who are you. Abani go, don't know.
He come to Suba and now he's in Suba.
Yeah.
He multiply.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
We multiply.
Ah?
We multiply. We bring our girls. You take our girls.
Any more there?
Salala mambimbitu mo sa
Yeah.
tahana. Tuko na salala mo ten diverto na tim ni mosquito.
Oh, tuan udah.
Iya. Bain mos.
Okay, may bakaro dito na event Mika.
Iyo.
May kanyan doon na long love to do ko.
Long metamana.
Kuantas das tu kira
Naman
nama?
sinpul makaw lamot eh.
Turang.
Kung sa gitar na piece.
Yeah.
Kailangan kita mena tape. Sarap ang bamba tu na pepehan rin. Kaya bukan ko rin matin. Iya, thank you.
Pag rin ba kami kita nang bully
Yeah.
siguro mo in the house.
Dito
Sa
sa.
akin na naman sa sakit mo din na other man in a zone.
Yeah.
Matakin na co-games. Kapag bibira ka na roon, tinatong metal.
Don't know about
Nakuha na
that.
sili mo matakin na paras.
Iya.
Right.
Thank you very
When
much.
you come to some, you ever for the what?
Ah?
When you ever
Girls.
I just aim dalam bulan lebu tunggu mertong isar sartal tur to nangon nela merun benda ko when the rukun benda ko is watching
Alright.
the Saint Joseph
Yeah.
the school around
Right.
when they are watching
Yes. Serious.
as gange
Kira-kira, sa kira-kira yung natin minister taban ni Buli.
Kira-kira sa nabi terus matang asir.
Iya, arto sa na kog ko mer kuning kay may buah.
Iya.
Merto sa tunga may buah.
elo binaka kito wer talaga na seat Kasa lang nga hindi na kinanala ni Serengo na kuti-kuti. Nabalebu, all the best for the student, for the zone and the inter-house.
Right.
Thank you very much. Be aim for what you are coming for.
You the zone.
Please.
Iya.
We love you all. Nabalebu Sara,
Right.
Kim tumbu-tumbu. Thank you.
Those tuning in the TikTok is Andy Salaseni,
Andra.
Toso Sara, HM, Tanyivi, those and 679 represent. Doyan Raminaka, thank you so much for tuning in on VDFM TikTok account.
Right.
Double tap guys. Dongan nomor sugur sa kacia dasar tengah.
Singa si family may nailonga ua korbo telebu.
Isa.
Bila senia.
Right.
Miri Livari, dolabina Emi Delay.
Right.
Tahu tamani madian rucigo bikoko.
Yeah.
Ndong mula
Les
binaki mo raw.
tukana yang Rabinaka.
Hey, belum nak?
Semi tuka wakawa.
Iya.
Rabinaka ngomai Auckland New Zealand.
Belum nak.
Abi. Rabinaka bi. Sa, bina boleh besar. Dong tenge. Owai nunu da koloni.
Belum nak apa tahu.
Boleh.
Yusunian de Messi kakaya Rabinaka betau.
Ya,
Right.
tu na sana kantin eh. Ni santu tonto maya lele sara. Tu nga wera santu kila itu nir narawata.
Iya.
Yo ke memingo ke misa sangal tu kami membutu kisuba.
Aurongo da nang ngatir ni kira na uci sini membak biro tulu ke ni walo lo pasang bola singa.
Oh, segula sih bukan gore nai bukan bula.
Goro pun ngatil bukin na didi.
Iya.
Goro telenga tukin. Rabinaka lingang gangga langi kali housing ana matagri kuah.
Mata sartungan na ngo na sabang ko momo iyo lante ni rara to sala ko ba bot ko na namba bitu.
Iya.
Panganing ko momo na iding tunggo sa iding ni sara-sara.
Cia ngasarota cia. Dolo bina be Village Boys bina boleh besar na siya mo sumai na matakan ni ko.
Oni bila like taka siya taka non talayo na matani ko na bito ko na ipunja celebrating.
90 years.
Dan bing gravi
Kurun
Yau mika ngalo mula.
engo tante.
Di kalau ngata ni sa tim